If you are receiving a lot of notifications for your Threads account on your email, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Threads email notifications. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing is to open your Threads app. And if you no longer want to receive those messages from your Threads account on your email, then log into your account and head to your profile icon down below, and then go to these two lines, tap on them to access the settings page. Under this, go to notifications, and here you can see you can post all notifications for this. And under other notification types, we have email notifications. If I tap on this, you can see email notifications reminders are on. With these on, I'll always receive notifications from Threads straight to my email. To turn these off, just choose the first option, which is off. And from now henceforth, you will never receive those email reminders from Threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.